string s is I like your mom. This string that is given to us should be written in a zigzag mode. So hello and welcome back everybody to a new chess and coding challenge. Today we are doing a what's called zigzag method in Java. And we are playing chess, of course, with 5-minute increment this time. So let's read the problem. Here we go. Okay. So zigzag conversion. So let me explain you guys what is the zigzag conversion. As you can read there, the string PayPal is hiring is written in a zigzag pattern on a given number of rows like this. PayPal. Okay, this is not very clear. I will show you how it is written. So basically, you can see it from the example here. What you get is a string PayPal is hiring, and what is given to you also is the number of rows. And what you should be given back is this. The explanation is not very clear, but I will make it clear for you guys. So if we say that we are giving the string s is I like your mom, this string that is given to us should be written in a zigzag mode. So with, let's say, with number of rows given to us equal 4. So we will have to make 4 rows with this string in a zigzag way. So it will be I, L, I, K. Then we'll go up, E, Y, O here. Then let me make it clear. Then you go up. Okay, my opponent resigned, so we have to go for another one. Okay, there we go. You can see the chess, right? Okay. Let's play another move. So as you see, guys, this is the zigzag method. The last M should be here, and if there was another character, it will be, for example, here. Then we go back down, then we zigzag again. So I think you get it. So we go here and then here and then back down, and then what we'll be doing is, after this zigzag is done, let's play knight to f3. What we'll be doing is returning. This is the first row, this is the fourth row, of course. If it told us, for example, 6 rows, we should be doing 6 rows and go up again, and so on and so forth. But in this example, it's just 4 rows. So what we should be returning is string capital S result should be here. IO, then L, Y, U, M, then IE, R, U, and I think you get it. You just continue. Then we go K and M. So that's the string that we should be returning. That's the zigzag method, how we are going to be doing it. Let's see. Okay, let's play knight to c3. And let's start the coding. So, how should we be doing this? Okay, so first of all, if the number of rows is less or equal 1, we don't need to do any zigzag method. We just return the same string, right? Because it's just, for example, if number of rows is 1, that means we have exactly one character. We're returning that character directly. So let's make that condition. If number of rows, the mic is in my way, so I'm not gonna be typing so fast, is inferior or equal to 1, we just return S. Okay, now to do this, to solve this problem, we have to first create an array of lists, okay? And these lists are the rows. So this is the first list, this is the second list, and this is the third list, okay? For example, in this example, if we had, and this is the fourth one, wait, this is the new color, this is the fourth one, okay? So if we had more rows, we will do more lists, and we save them all in an array, and then we will save the characters in each list, okay? So now we will be having empty lists, okay? So let's initialize this array of lists, but first let's play some moves on the chess. Okay, let's go here, e3. Let's play some moves before we move on to something else. Okay, what did he play? Okay, now we have to be careful. Let's go here. If he takes, I'll take with a pawn. Okay, if he takes the bishop, I'll take with the queen. This is on my radar. If he takes also, it's in my radar, so we have clear idea. So let's initialize the array list of character. It will be and it's an array. Let's call it array of lists equals new array new array. Do we add parentheses? I think we do add them. New array list, right? New array list. And we should say how the size of it. You should initialize it with the size, which will be the number of rows, right? Because each list is one row. So I think this is how it goes. Now we have to initialize each list in the array. But first, let's play some moves. Oh, I'm down on time. You know what? Let's go here. Let's kick the bishop out. I'm gonna play some moves in the chess. Okay, I'm gonna accumulate some time. Then we can go back to the code. Let's take with. Should I take with the queen? Or let's take with the pawn to open this b5 for my rook, and to have more pawns in the center. Okay, let's initialize the lists for teacher I equals 0, I inferior to num rows, and then I plus plus should I take? No. Should not be taking. Let's just go here and castle in the next move. So here say to initialize it, you should just go for array of lists of index I equals new array list. New array list, and of course okay. Okay, he plays bishop to a6. I could take here. Is there a way to make it more complicated? Maybe. Okay, let's just take. No need to complicate it. We're playing against the Autisticus from Germany. He's 1233 rated. I can go here, but he will push me, then cannot go here. It's pointless to let's just castle. So after we initialized the lists, what should we be doing? We should be filling the lists, right? So here, while we should be filling the lists, and what we will be filling the lists character by character in the given string, okay? But when are we going to stop? When the index is already bigger than the total number of characters in the string given to us, right? So we'll be putting each string in one of the lists, character by character. We'll be putting each character in the list that he belongs to, and we will stop when we reach the end of the string, of course. So let's initialize integer. Let's call it g. While G is inferior to S dot, do we say length or size of a string? I forgot. String? I think length, right? Okay. So here we have two possibilities, okay? While we are trying to fill the lists. It's either we're going down, we're starting with this one, right? Then this one, then this one. It's either we're going down or we're going up. Okay, we do this one, then we go up. So this one, then this one, and this one. So these are, this is of index 0 in the string. This is of index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. When we're going down, we will simply save them. We will save each string in the corresponding list. Each character in the corresponding list, from up to down. So this character will be saved in the list of index 0, right? This one will be saved in the list of index 1. And this one will be saved in the list of index 3. But this one will not continue. So will not go to the list of index 4 because it does not exist. We have to go, like, instead of keeping like list of index 3 then 4, we should go back to 2. So if we're going up, the index of lists should go from higher numbers to less numbers. So the for loop will not, the index in the for loop will not be incremented as it is here. Here it will be incremented. Here the index of the loop will be decremented. Okay, that's why we need 2 loops. Okay, let's play some moves in the chess. Oh, 37 seconds. Okay, I have to play really fast. Let's go here. 29 seconds. Okay, I have to take care of the chess. I have this, maybe. I have this. If he pushes, I can go here, create some dangers. The most important thing is to waste max 3 seconds on each move. Okay, let's go back, no problem. Try to check him. Okay, this knight is glued to the king now. I was thinking about this, but it's no longer efficient. Let's go here. Let's go here. If he goes here, he can push. He can go here. So it's very annoying forking my... So if he goes here, I should not do this. Let's go here. Let's be annoying. And maybe here if he tries to... We also have a check. So if he does something very, very stupid like queen here, the game is basically over. Okay, he goes there. Okay. We take. I think that was a blunder by him. Next we have this. And everything is still protected. So if I go here and he goes here and I take, my knight is still protected. He cannot take it. So I have this idea of doubling. But I really have to play fast. He has 6 minutes against 20 seconds. Let's go here. Oh! Oh, I didn't see this. It's not that bad though. Let's go here. Mistake. He's up 2 pawns. Or 2 points to be accurate, because he's up. I think he's up a knight. No, he has my rook and I have his knight. So it's 2 points material. But I do think that my knight is will be very efficient. Let's go here. Spent too much time. No. Have to keep the game going. Really fucked up. You know what? I will resign. And I want to rematch him. Rematch. Will he agree? Okay, he agreed. Okay, we have a rematch. We will have revenge. Promise you guys, I will revenge. I will avenge myself. Not revenge. I don't think that's like a verb. Okay. So let's play here and let's continue to code. Okay, while why G? Why not E? Let's make this K. I want it to be clearer, so let's make this K. Let's make this I. Okay. So first we're going down now, okay? We're filling downwards. We're going from up to down. Okay, so 4. Teacher, let's call it J equals 0. J inferior to num rows. Okay? J plus plus, it will be incremented. But wait, J should be inferior to num rows. and I should be the same condition here, okay? So that once we reach the last index here, we just quit. At that exact moment, we quit, okay? So let's put it here. Otherwise we will continue and find no other. We'll continue here, sorry. We will continue going here and we find no other character. So as soon as we reach the last character of our given string, which is S here, we just quit. We don't continue looping, okay? What should we doing? What should we be doing? Let's go here. We're playing the King's Indian. We'll go here. Let's go here. This is on my radar. So what should we be doing here? Okay, so array of lists. Here we will start filling the lists. Array of lists. J will get array of lists J. So this is a list. We will add another character to it. So we use .add, right? Yeah, we use .add. .add s dot char at I char at I or I plus plus. Wait, we need the next one, right? I plus plus, so that it's the next time incremented. So because we need to keep going on, let's castle. We need to keep going on, so why is the timer wrong? Okay, let's go here. Try to trade the bishop for a knight. I don't really need that bishop, it's not that crucial for me in the King's Indian. Okay, area of the street, add. Okay, so this is when we're going up to down. I hope you understand what we are doing. When you're going up to down, like for example here, we're putting this in the first row, this in the second row or the second list. We're adding this to the second list, to the third list, this to the fourth list. Now when we're going this way. We're adding this will be added with the first for loop that we just did. Sorry, I'm not a native speaker for the 17th time, so we will be adding only this and this in the second for loop. Okay, so we will do another for loop.